Okay guys, let's talk about HCMC. The price have a bit of movement right now, almost 10%, and we testing a really technical important area. And whenever we see an explosion that we actually discussed before the price jumped and we see a massive rejection, now we see another price movement again. This is a next explosion gonna happen where we're gonna get rejected again, and what we should do for the next strategy for HCMC, because you have to have a strategy guys. Right now we're gonna discuss it. Without further ado, press the like button and let's get right to it. So let's get right to it and see what's going on. Now the price is around 0.009 for HCMC, and we hit with really nice support precisely around the 0.0004. So right now we testing around this level, around the 0.009, and for this right now I see a good indication first for the volume is actually started changing since the 24th of June, whenever actually we dropped from the 2012, and even the price went down, the volume is actually starting pumping up because there's a lot of people see that the price is really good, and the investors actually buying in chunks. That's why we see the volume actually picking up while the price actually going down. This is an indication of interest of investors, and now it's because the moment whenever the investors buy the price, when it go down, the volume never change and the price go down because there's more sellers than buyers. Then the price hit the technical point here around the 0.0004. That's what it hit a lot of buy limit order, and it triggered the price movement, and a lot of people bought here around this level because this is really important level, and it's really really interesting price and really low price. That's why we saw the price jumped, and now is the turning point, because what I see right now, we have this candle, 4-hour candle, and we have a test for this candle around our exponential average, and we close above it. This is really important because we have the same scenario. If you saw my video and I told you about this explosion that happened here at the 16th of April, if you watched my video last time we did the video here, and I told you we're gonna see an explosion and we hit with the massive rejection around the 0.035. Now we have the same scenario, and we see the volume actually 2 billion right now, before is below 1 billion, and now we hold this above our exponential average. And if we hold by this week guys above the this exponential average, we're gonna see another explosion. First, the massive test will be around the 0.0015, but before we're gonna see the 0.0012. But the target that I'm looking for, if we really explode it this time, and you should have your buy your profit at, is around the 0.0044 guys. This is a really massive test if we test it for HCMC, and hopefully we go until there. But be careful, because as I said here and there, whenever we see a spike for this kind of stock, it's been downtrending for a lot guys. Your strategy should be flexible and is not normal, because here we saw a lot of people cut here, bought at the tip, and again here bought at the tip. So a lot of people just want to break even. That's why we trigger a lot of selling pressure, not from the short sellers, just from people actually bought at the top and just do want to get out. So be careful from this one. We're gonna see it trigger a lot of profit taken, and a lot of people will trigger a lot of short position will be triggered whenever we hit around the 0.004. If we ever just go above the 0.0015 and we confirm this candle close above our exponential average. So be careful from this scenario and the target point. Always have a target, guys, to take your profit, and be ready to average down when the price go down. Even if you're long holder or investors, you can actually have this kind of strategy. So whenever even the price go down, you always will be in a profit, and you have the money or the capital to average down when the price go down. So always be expect for the things might go wrong, at the same time if go right, because a lot of new traders always think about making money, but they never thinking about the possibility of losing money. Always think about the bad thing first and see the scenario, what you're gonna do about it. Whenever the scenario come, you have a strategy is built already, and without emotion, you actually can build it before you lose your money, so you could actually act and you choose the right strategy that preset before the thing that happened. So hopefully you find this video have more knowledge for you to get a bit an idea about the strategy that you could do. At the same time, if you're interested of more pre-market update or analysis for your favorite stock or one-on-one meeting with me, you can check the Patreon in the comment section below. We can discuss all of that. At the same time, be ready to hunt, and as always say, guys, be patient and hunt for exact price value. See you in the next video.